Ever faced a plumbing issue at your home? Picture this: leaky faucets disturbing your peace, clogged drains wreaking havoc in your kitchen, or a broken water heater cutting your warm bath short. Frustrating, isn't it? When these problems arise, you need a reliable solution. Introducing West Memphis Plumbing, your go-to professionals for all your plumbing needs. Our team's expertise spans across kitchen, bathroom plumbing, home water filters, and water heater repairs, all backed by our unwavering commitment to service excellence. With West Memphis Plumbing, you get more than just a quick fix. From kitchen plumbing, bathroom plumbing, to home water filters and water heater repair, we've got you covered. West Memphis Plumbing offers a comprehensive range of services, ready to tackle any and all plumbing work. No matter the issue, we have the skills and expertise to get it fixed. Don't let plumbing issues disrupt your daily routine. Choose West Memphis Plumbing for prompt, quality service. We're ready to tackle everything from kitchen fixes to water heater repairs. Call now at 870-729-8576 and let West Memphis Plumbing take care of the rest.